Hello friends, welcome back to Akalab. Today we are showing our Arjun tractor 3D printed model along with the FlySky remote. So this remote we connected to run this tractor. So let's see how it functions. So this is for a right and left function, and here, so this hydraulic lift will work from this knob. So if you rotate, you can see the working of the lift. So the position what you set, the lift will remains there only. Okay. So now left right function. So connected to channel 1. So forward reverse. You can throw like cruise control. It is also there in the FlySky. So how much you push, it will go that speed only. Okay. So this bonnet under we seeing there is a switch for on off control and inbuilt battery, so that you can control, and there is a charger socket so you can charge the battery. So now we are closing our tractor bonnet. That's simple. So this is how our RC Arjun tractor works, and it is enough power for small uh, pulling loads. If you like this RC tractor model, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button for future notification. Thank you.